What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have our good friend's Gen 3 Raptor with us today. Now, he has put on a bunch of KHC parts already on this Gen 3 Raptor, but we are not done. We have a bunch of things that we still have to do, and we'll do more in the future. But let's start off what we're going to be getting done today in this video. So in the front we have our KHC stock width lower control arms, and we're going to match that with Elevate upper control arms. Now, before we move to the rear, we can't end it off without adding our KHC front bump stops. Now in the rear, we are going to be adding the new Fox Series race shocks. So guys, enough about the parts that are going into this truck. I think it's time to start get wrenching. So let's hop in the Raptor and head back to the shop. Well guys, there it is. I hope you enjoyed that video of us installing a bunch of upgrades for Jay and his Gen 3. Now normally I would end the video here, but Jason joined us down in Georgia for Durhamtown, an awesome event held by the Off-Road Revolution. And I have a bunch of clips of him actually hitting jumps and tracking the truck. And as always guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the KHC family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.